This is the ASUS ROG Swift XG27AQDMG OLED monitor. After doing countless hours of research, I have not found one bad review about this display, and I can see why. In the box, you get the VESA mount adapter, the arm for the monitor, and the base stand. Then you get a bag full of all the accessories that you'll need, including DisplayPort cable, a USB cable, and an HDMI cable, plus a microfiber cloth. And of course, under that, to power the monitor is the power brick. And underneath that layer is the actual monitor itself. For starters, the G and the name stands for glossy. Most OLED monitors on the market use a matte coating that can make the image look grainy or diffused, but this glossy W OLED panel ensures that every color appears exactly as it was intended. It provides a level of mirror-like clarity in deep inky blacks that you just can't get on a standard matte display. It makes the screen look like a high-end piece of glass where the images just float on the surface, giving you a level of immersion that is honestly hard to describe until you see it in person. Now, I don't use a built-in stand for my setup. I'm a huge advocate for a clean, minimal workspace. So I have this mounted on a high-quality VESA arm, which allows me to put my Stream Deck, fake plants, and speakers under my monitor with ease. The monitor itself is incredibly slim and lightweight, which makes it perfect for a floating desk aesthetic. Even though I've swapped the stand, the build quality of the panel itself is super premium. On the back, you'll find the iconic ROG lighting and a very clean layout for the ports. Because it uses a VESA 100x100 standard, attaching it to my monitor arm was a breeze. It's designed to be the centerpiece of a high-end gaming station without taking up any unnecessary space on your desk surface. This monitor includes high-speed precision with up to a 240Hz refresh rate, and to match that speed, it has near instant 0.03 millisecond response time. It ensures that every movement appears just as it was intended, and in the most intense gaming sessions, there is no motion blur or ghosting. It's also NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro certified, which means the monitor and your GPU are always going to be integrated perfectly, so you can just launch your games and experience a perfect, near tear-free image every single time. Whether you're playing a fast-paced competitive shooter where every frame counts, or a slow-paced cinematic adventure, the motion is as smooth as it gets. You'll notice the difference immediately by just moving your cursor on the desktop or scrolling through a web page. Because this is an OLED, ASUS has included an extensive suite of OLED care features to make sure your panel stays perfect. The monitor does everything for you, so you can just click on your favorite game and not worry about the pixels. The OLED care includes features like pixel cleaning, which refreshes the pixels after long sessions, and screen move, which shifts the image slightly to prevent static elements from staying in one place. It also has an outer brightness control and a setting to automatically dim static logos like taskbars or news HUDs. All these tools are integrated into the monitor to ensure that every angle appears as it was intended for years to come. It's a very smart system that monitors itself, giving you the peace of mind that your investment is protected by the latest technology and panel longevity. The XG27AQDMG is a 1440p monitor, which is the perfect sweet spot for 27 inches. Because it's an OLED, it doesn't need a backlight, so the pixels can turn off completely for true black levels. This makes every angle of the image look stunning, whether you're editing videos or playing the latest AAA titles. The color accuracy is incredible. It's designed to give you a professional experience right out of the box, so you can spend less time calibrating and more time enjoying your content. All of ASUS's monitors are integrated into the ROG ecosystem, allowing you to control your settings through the display widget center. This monitor does everything for you, providing a perfect and accurate print of whatever media you're consuming. If the 27-inch size is exactly what you need, this is the best version of it. It's perfect for people who want the same perfect quality of a high-end TV, but in a monitor form factor. This monitor is so amazing, and I recommend this for anyone who wants to get into high-end gaming or content creation. It takes the best OLED technology, the speed, the contrast, and the color, and puts it into a form factor that is perfect for any setup. ASUS has really thought of everything here, from the glossy finish to the advanced cooling system. If you want the same perfect quality but need different specs, the ROG lineup has plenty of options. But for me, the XG27AQDMG is the perfect choice for a 1440p enthusiast. It does everything for you, so you can just turn it on and enjoy a perfect, accurate image. This monitor usually retails at around $700, but I got it on a discount for 25% off, making it a grand total of $525. In my opinion, this is a super good value for an OLED monitor and all the extra features that come with it. As always, I'm going to leave a link in the description if you guys want to take a look at this monitor and potentially buy it for your own setup. Now I'm going to leave you guys with a full color test shot on my iPhone 17 Pro so you guys can get a real feel for how it looks. As always, make sure to subscribe and like the video for more content. Thank you for watching and have a great day.